The best food in the world is Jamaican food.
Can you imagine never trying Jamaican food? For me, it's unimaginable. As a Jamaican content creator, I am passionate about sharing our vibrant culture with the world. Every bite is a taste of history. Our food is a blend of African, British, Spanish, Indian, and Asian influences. Our food is a literal melting pot. That's where our national motto comes from. Out of many, we are one people. Even our KFC is undisputably the best. Yes, I said it, come fight me. No, but seriously though, Jamaican food is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of our resilience, creativity, and community. Can you imagine never experiencing the warmth of Jamaican hospitality, culture, and food? Now, these are just some of my favorite foods. What are yours? I love pepper shrimp, oh my gosh. And let's not forget the incredible restaurants that bring these dishes to life. These are just my top 3 favorite restaurants in Kingston. What are yours? Our Jamaican cuisines and culinary dishes are known around the world, and especially the Caribbean. They have won so many awards and known as the best in the Caribbean. Yeah, we can say that with our chest out. Jamaican food is the best. I said it, come fight me. Let me know in these comments what are your favorites.
I tell you, nothing can nice like that one house ice cream. It's so good. I'm not just saying that, it's so good.